All right, here we have an installation just under 300 square feet of Mannington, Bengal Bay, 3/8-inch engineered floor. We're just staging the material right now to let it acclimate. So it's going into this master bedroom suite, which we have to pick up the old carpet, move all the furniture, install all brand new white quarter round molding. So the job will be starting shortly. And here we have the completed installation. This is a Mannington Bengal Bay. It's a 3/8-inch engineered floor in this master bedroom. What we had to do is pick up the old carpet, prep the floor, move all the furniture accordingly, install new quarter round molding. And this completes this job with this Bengal Bay, a beautiful engineered floor that we glued and nailed this down. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you could see more installations and videos of all other categories of flooring, carpet, vinyl, etc. And while you're there in the YouTube channel, we appreciate it if you would please subscribe. So thank you for watching.